Poster making contest, Science Festival. First place, Quincy, Science Festival. Third place, poster making contest, English Festival. Second place, poem writing, English Festival. First place, expressive language, English Festival. Second place, Venezuela short film making contest, General Information Festival. First place, 200 meters freestyle venture game season 2 championship. Second place, 100 meters freestyle venture game season 2 championship. Second place, 50 meters freestyle venture game season 2 championship. Third place, 50 meters backstroke venture game season 2 championship. First place, 200 meters freestyle East District Meet 2024. Second place, 400 meters freestyle East District Meet 2024. Second place, 100 meters backstroke East District Meet 2024. Second place, 50 meters butterfly First Governor's Cup Venture SL3 Leg 1. Third place, 100 meter breaststroke First Governor's Cup Venture S3 Leg 1. First place, 200 meters medley relay SDAA Meet 2024. First place, 200 meters freestyle relay SDAA Meet 2024. Second place, 400 meters freestyle SDAA Meet 2024. Third place, 100 meters backstroke SDAA Meet 2024. Rank 70 out of 33 100 meters backstroke Raham Meet 2024. Rank 8 out of 50 400 meters freestyle relay Raham Meet 2024. Achiever of the Year, Most Active and Diligence Award